With that, I want you to hear now from the man who's been leading this effort in so many ways and working so closely with the community, and Dr. Katz. I have to tell you, there's a lot of concern, there's a lot of need, but on many, many conversations I've had with community leaders, they take time to say thank you for your involvement, because they know you know the community, you care about the community. It's very personal and real for you, but also the leadership you're providing as one of the healthcare leaders of this city is appreciated by all. So thank you for that, and we welcome your update.
Mayor, we're very pleased that in these neighborhoods, yesterday we had more than 350 people on the ground handing out masks and distributing literature, reminding people of the 4 core ways that we stay safe. We stay home if we're sick. We keep physical distance between us and others. We limit indoor gatherings. We wear a face covering, and we practice healthy hand hygiene. And that's to protect ourselves, to protect our parents and our grandparents. As the mayor has said, testing, 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 and he has told us to do everything possible to increase the amount of testing that's available so that we have a full picture, and if people are infected, we can safely isolate them and get them the treatment that they need. So the mayor mentioned the 11 mobile testing sites, rapid testing sites at 3 health and hospital sites in Queens and Brooklyn, and enhanced capability at 2 health department sites. But I'm very excited, the mayor alluded to this, as a kid, a block party was the most exciting thing in South Brooklyn. I'm in the day of your own block party, which for me was East 19th Street between W and X. But of course, because we had bicycles, we had the ability to go to everybody else's block parties. And we so much enjoyed them, and I think it's a very positive use of that phrase, because now we're going to do block parties where we're going to shut down portions of the street and sidewalks and set up large testing tents. We will be able to test up to 500 people in each tent or site, and anyone who gets tested will get their results back in 24 to 48 hours. We're going to keep announcing additional block party sites so that we can saturate these zip codes. They'll be supervised by clinical staff who will also be able to offer people self-administered tests. New Yorkers will be able to pick up a test, take a swab on the inside of their nose themselves for 10 seconds, put the swab in a tube, seal it, and hand it to somebody who is supervising at the table. They will get the results in 48 hours. We're also partnering with our community boards to implement these microsites. Each microsite can manage 100 tests per day. And finally, we are distributing rapid testing machines to trusted providers in the affected neighborhoods. Sir, as you know, I was on the phone last night with a group of physicians who take care of patients in these neighborhoods, and they were saying, get me testing, get me testing. And because of your commitment, I was able to say, we're going to provide these machines to doctors' offices so that they can do a rapid point of care. Each machine uses a nasal swab test, delivers results in 20 minutes or less, and these are PCR tests. One of the concerns that the doctors raised are you using antigen tests? Because we're worried about false positives, and I said, no, these are pure PCR tests. People felt very happy knowing that. The virus is insidious. Many people are asymptomatic and don't know they're infected and can spread the disease. Increased testing helps us to identify these people. So, Mr. Mayor, thank you for giving us the resources that we need to do the job.
Thank you very much, Dr. Katz. Thank you to you and your whole team. Everyone on our healthcare team is working so hard and working so closely with the community. And again, the message today is go out and get tested, whether you're in one of these key zip codes or any place else in New York City. Get tested so we can get the full picture of what's going on, and you can get the full picture of what's happening with your own situation. The testing, again, in this city, results are coming in much faster than they were several weeks back, and it is an easier process than ever. So important. So again, constantly people say, what can I do to help? How can I help New York City? You can help New York City by going out and getting tested today and taking that brief amount of time to make a big difference.